Hi guys, welcome back to the kingdom. I hope you guys have had a positive and productive week this week. So this week I'm going to be doing a DIY sprayed edge on Vengeful by V.E. Schwab. Now, V.E. Schwab is one of my all-time favourite authors. If you guys are new here, if you guys aren't new here, then you'll know that already. Yes, she is one of my all-time favourite authors. I love everything that she's ever written, including all of her essays and her short stories. And she's recently started working with Emma Roberts on a new TV adaptation, and I am counting down the days. Vengeful is the second book in the series. The first book is called Vicious. For those of you who are curious as to what it's about, it's kind of like an X-Men Dexter crossover type thing. So essentially, when someone has a near-death experience, sometimes when they come back they can gain superpowers, and it's kind of a question on, you know, what's a villain, what's a hero, and yeah, and just really fantastic read. Highly recommend. If you guys aren't already aware, I own a lot of V.E. Schwab's book purely as a special edition. I've got all of the Darker Shade of Magic series in a special edition. I've also got hardback versions of Vengeful and Vicious in their special editions, which is why I don't do a lot of hardback stuff on V.E. Schwab stuff, because I love the special editions I've got. But it was really fantastic to be able to do a sprayed edge on this book. So as you guys can see, I went with a red background and I did some stripy lines like you see on the front. Then I've got Marcella from the front. I translated that design, put it on the side with the silvery knives up and down like you see on the front, trying to tie it all together. It was really difficult for me to decide the colour scheme because I was going to go originally have it white as a background, so I have to layer on the white to get rid of the creamy colour on the page and have the black figure with red knives, or potentially a silver background. In the end, I am glad that I picked red because I think it just stands out and it's vibrant, and it does help pick out the red on the cover as well. But if I were to do this again, I might play up with the colours. I love the placement and I love how everything else has come out about it, but I might play up with the colours and try and rearrange it. Anyway, without further ado, let's jump into the time lapse. Let's get another look at the book. So up close we've got some of the pages, comes back together nice and clean, top, bottom. As you guys can see, I had to do a little bit of repair work here, but overall this is come out, oh, got a little powder on the bottom of the book. There we go, rub it off, it comes off. overall, this has come out really well. I am so pleased with the results. It really stands out on my bookshelf because of that vibrant red colour I use. I didn't use a vermilion, which is normally a slightly orangey red that I use in order to bring out a colour. I just went straight up red, no mixing. And I just love how bold it is. It was in order to match the quite cool red that you've got on the cover and tie it all together, and I think I am so pleased with the results. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments, what would you have done colour scheme wise? Do you have any ideas for alternatives that I could have done? Do you guys have any other books that you want me to paint? At the moment I'm trying to work out my TBR. I have a lot of books on there and I'm slowly working my way through. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to try this for yourself, all the links to the things I use will be down in the description. I hope you guys have positive and productive weeks. Please talk to me down in the comments. I absolutely adore talking to people about books, particularly about my book art. Are there any suggestions? Are there any things that you'd like me to try? I've got lots of new stuff coming up, which I think you guys will really love. Other books I've painted recently, we've got We Hunt the Flame, Sea Witch, and I've also done something fantastic on Addie LaRue. Also, the debut book, Dust on the Altar by Michelle Winkler. I did a full book makeover for 2 of her books for her giveaway. So yeah, be sure to check that out. Until next time guys, I hope you have positive and productive weeks and I'll see you soon. Bye!